Hey guys, so today I'm back and I'm doing another holiday makeup tutorial. So this one is going to be green, kind of inspired by like Christmas trees and wreaths and all that. So I love the color green and I wanted to use this Wet n Wild palette, the right side of it. A lot of you guys wanted to see a tutorial using the other half of it, so I incorporated that into this look. So if you want to see how I did this makeup, then just keep watching. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use this Tarte Smolderized pencil. I got it in this like holiday set. I think it's a holiday thing. I'm going to be using the color Rainforest Black. And it's just a nice, really pretty green. Like, I'm obsessed with this color. It's like gorgeous. So just take that and put it all over your eyelid. And these are really, really pigmented and they stay on, and you don't even really need to put an eyeshadow over them. But they do dry pretty quickly, so. I'm just putting that on the lower lash line as well. And then use the other side, which is like a little smudger. And I love that it has like a little smudgy thing. So it makes it really easy rather than having to use your finger. My finger is like too big and I'll be like poking my eye out. These are also waterproof, so in case you are gonna be swimming this Christmas for some reason. I'm also just gonna put this on my waterline a little bit more. So it should look something like that. It doesn't have to be like perfect because we're obviously gonna be using other eyeshadows for this look. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a face powder that is like a skin tone color, and I'm going to blend that into my crease just to have like a transition color before we start adding other colors. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette. I have a tutorial using the neutral side. I'm going to be using this green side for this green look. So we're going to take the eyelid color and we're going to put that in our inner part of our eyelid, like the first like third of it. And it's just a really pretty green color. So just pat that on your inner eyelid. And just take your eyeshadow blending brush and just kind of like sweep that over a little bit just to blend the two together. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take the crease color and we are going to start putting that into the crease. It's kind of just like a dark green, almost like a blackish green with some gold shimmer. And I'm just going to start by putting this into my crease and on the outer corner as well. So. And I'm kind of just like dragging that in. Okay, so after you have it looking like that, then you're just gonna go back in with your blending brush and blend that. I'm gonna take the brow bone shade, but from the neutral side because I don't really like this grayish one. So we're just gonna take the brow bone shade from the brown side and put that underneath your brow bone. Then we're gonna take the definer color, and it's kind of like a greenish, bluish, brownish color. It's really a pretty cool color. And we're gonna put that on our lower lash line. I really like this color. I don't even know what it's supposed to be, if it's supposed to be green or it's supposed to be blue, but like it's like iridescent, so it looks like a bunch of different colors all balled into one. Just smudge it out underneath there. And then I'm going to do liquid liner. I just am a big fan of liquid liner. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but I'm going to. For lashes, I'm just going to be using these. Whoa. Where did the box go? I'm just going to be using these lashes. These are from e.l.f. and it comes with like half lashes and full lashes. I'm just going to be using the little half ones. They're the e.l.f. Dramatic Lash Collection. I guess they're new. So, and then you just want to add your mascara and then curl them together. Okay, and so that is the finished look. I used MAC's Hug Me, which is just a nude neutral shade. I use that for my lipstick. It has some, I like it IT. You guys didn't even tell me I had something IT. Thanks. Like, thanks a lot. So I use that, and then for blush, I just used NARS Luster, which is just like a pretty like golden peachy shade, which I love. So that's the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. It's nice green, like inspired by Christmas trees. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon.